How to fix vibration not working after iOS 18 or 18 beta update. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix vibration not working on iPhone in iOS 18 or 18 beta. Let's get started without wasting any time. So to fix this issue, firstly go to settings application on your iPhone and iPad. In the settings menu, find and tap on sound and haptics. In the sound and haptics, tap haptics. Here, make sure that always play is selected. If it's not selected, then select it. Now go to back menu and tap ringtone. Tap haptics at the top. Now select synchronized default at the top of the page. Method 2. Turn on vibration under the accessibility. For that, go to settings application on your iPhone and iPad. In the settings menu, go down and tap accessibility. Go down again and tap touch. Now find vibration and turn it on. After doing this, the problem of vibration not working on your iPhone and iPad will be solved. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.